It is.
That was freezing.
Dad just did the ice bucket challenge.
All right, well.
He just did it.
Brendan, don't touch, Brendan. Because I got to call out people still, buddy. Brendan, are you touching it?
I'm just zooming in.
All right, so I'm going to call out. Who are we going to call out?
You just did it.
TJ.
You just
and
did it.
Lucas. So Uncle Sean, TJ, and Lucas. And I did that in memory of a great man we
Submit and subscribe.
Uncle Freddie, who was awesome. And thank you, Brendan and Shannon, for dumping ice water on me. And lucky, no ice hit me where it hurts.
Yeah.
And that's it. And thanks, Timmy, for calling me out. Okay, buddy.
Peace.
Hit the stop record, Brendan.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Wait, how do I do this?